Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. One of the most important safety parts of your car are tires. It's necessary to regularly check your tire and wheel condition. In case of damage or different road conditions, you should replace them with good quality ones that are suitable for current road conditions. Also, it's very important for every driver to be able to correctly and safely replace wheels on your car. In this episode I will show you how to do it. First of all, safely position and lock your car, so it doesn't move. Apply wheel stopper on the diagonally opposite wheel. If you have hubcaps, carefully remove them. Before lifting up, loosen wheel bolts or nuts with appropriate wrench, but don't unscrew them. Car body should be lifted only in specific places. Use manual to detect them. Use only appropriate and undamaged jack. Always use rubber or wood pads to avoid bodywork damage. Carefully lift your car until changeable wheel lifts from the ground. When wheel is off the ground, unscrew all bolts or nuts. Then carefully remove wheel itself. When wheel is taken off, it's always good to check condition of all sealings, hoses, boots and of course brake pads. If you detect any problems, try to fix them as soon as possible, because small unsolved defects could turn into large and expensive ones after some time. Before placing wheel back, thoroughly clean place where wheel contacts with hub or brake drum. Pay attention to your wheel bolts or nuts. Thread should be clean and grease-free. Use bolts or nuts with appropriate contact geometry, otherwise you will damage wheel or even loose it during drive. Before installing new wheels, it's necessary to clean and balance them. In this case we are using restored alloy wheels with brand new tires. Pay attention to tire rotation marking, place them correctly, so all rotation markings are going in forward direction. If possible, wheels with less counterbalancing weights should be placed on front wheels. Install your new wheel and tighten with appropriate bolts or nuts. They should be tightened only in correct order. In all cases, is it 4, 5, 6 or more bolts or nuts, always tighten the diagonally opposite side. This will guarantee evenly tightening of the wheel. After tightening of wheel, check that no one or nothing is under the car. And only then, carefully put car down. Finally, when wheels are on the ground, tighten bolts or nuts with appropriate torque. Correct tightening torque could be found in your car's manual or on internet. Final tightening should be done in same correct order, as mentioned previously. Congratulations! Now you know how to properly change wheels on your car. Always remember that safety is first.